I hope I don't kill my channel over this. Mic drop. That's it. It's that simple. You go to Google or maybe even YouTube and you type in how to make money online, or maybe you even type in how to make money online fast, because we've all done it. If you've ever done this, then I know you've seen the hundreds of videos you will be bombarded with that promises fast and easy money, quick and easy steps. You can make a lot of money really quickly, but ask yourself this one question. How are they making money? If it's so quick and easy, why did they just spend all this time to tell you how to do it? Why did they take the time of editing and making that YouTube video or writing that blog post that you're reading just to tell you how to do it? Why are they giving away their secret to their luxurious life? They're not. Oftentimes you will find these videos use other people's so-called success stories that they found on the internet. They'll say, for example, they found 2 different TikTokers who made this amount of money with this, and you can do it too. Notice how they never tell you their own success story. It's because it didn't happen. Their video will often give you the simple first steps to getting started, but they don't give updates to how it's going or issues that you may run into. That's because they only did enough to film that video, nothing more. Because the method they're shilling is not quick, it's not easy, and it's not gonna make you a lot of money. They're making their money by telling you that you can make a lot of money. That's the way the algorithm works on YouTube. The more you watch these videos, the more watch time they get, the more people that click on it, the more people who like it, and the more people who comment on it. YouTube thinks that it's a great video, so they show it to more people who then click on it and like it, and the cycle just continues. Some will even go on to give you even more advanced advice if you just spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on their course that promises to teach you way more than that one YouTube video did. It's how they get you hooked in. To the person who's barely making it in life, this feels like their one ticket out. Even if they don't have money to spend to buy that course or buy that training, they'll put it on a credit card, racking up thousands of dollars in credit card debt because they can just pay it off when the money starts coming in, right? I know, because I've done it. But then the money never comes. They are selling you hopes and dreams, and it's working. Just look at all the views and positive comments these videos are getting. They make it sound so good that you believe them. So to answer the question, what's the one side hustle you can do from home that is going to make you thousands of dollars every month? It's to become a content creator. Mic drop. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now with that said, it's not going to be easy. Being a content creator is a grind. But let's look into the actual money that's possible with content creation. So before we dive into my own analytics, let's look at the ways that YouTubers and content creators make money. Now there's multiple different ways, but there's 3 main ones that are used. The first is with the ad revenue. Specifically on YouTube, ads play before, after, during a video, and a content creator gets a piece of that ad revenue. The same thing with TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels. The second way they make money is with affiliate marketing or income. Anytime they show you a software program that you need to use to do whatever they're telling you to do, or anytime they show you a product, there's a link in the description or in their blog post. That link earns them a commission every time someone makes a purchase from them. The same way the salespeople in brick and mortar retail stores would get a commission if they help you find the perfect outfit and you buy from them. And then the third way that a lot of these content creators are making money, of course, is sponsorships. It's where a company will reach out to them and pay them a lot of money to spend a dedicated amount of their video specifically talking about a product rather than just mentioning it in passing. So the next time you're watching any videos, specifically ones that talk about making money online, keep these things in mind. Think to yourself, what is this creator trying to achieve? How are they making money off of me? They're trying to build up your trust. They want you to trust them and feel like their friend so that you will buy things from them. So you'll believe in everything that they're telling you. So you'll watch every video to the end. You'll like, you'll comment on their videos, and you'll keep coming back for more and just doing it over and over again. So just how much money is at stake with being a content creator? Let's dive into my own analytics, review some channels, and see what's possible. Okay, friends, we are over in my analytics page, and I do want to go ahead, because I am always honest on this channel, and point out the fact that I personally have nowhere near made $10,000 a month with my YouTube channel. Doesn't mean that I can't. But I am always honest on this channel, but I'm going to walk you through how we get there. I know there's other creators that do. And keep in mind when we're going through this, this is my estimated revenue for the last 28 days. You don't get to keep and spend all that. YouTube, especially in the United States, does not take taxes out on you. So you do have to put back 30% for taxes because you've got self-employment taxes and all of that. So you really only get to keep and spend 70% of the money. But I did have one video that kind of blew up a few months ago and made some actual money, and therefore I can compare it to other people. Now I do want to show you real quickly when we go into my analytics, there's an audience tab, and if I click on that audience tab, it tells me videos that you're liking, it tells me other channels that you're watching, and specifically other videos that people who have watched my channel have watched in the last 7 days. So with this, I am going to be comparing to Monique from Journey with the Hintons because she is in the same genre that I am in, that my channel is in. So the RPM and CPM, the money made per 1,000 views on YouTube should be similar between my channel and her channel. That's why we're picking on her today, because I want to be able to compare like apples to apples and oranges to oranges for you. Now, there is so many different videos that I want to make about YouTube and content creation. If you're interested in that, let me know down in the comments below. There's specific ways to pick channel ideas that can make you the most money. There's certain ways of doing it to make sure that you come out on the top if you're creating it specifically to make money in a business. Now, if you're doing it like me and doing it on the side as like a little side hustle, then you might want to do something that is a hobby to you, that is actually fun and enjoyable to you. Because once you make it a job, sometimes it just becomes not fun anymore. But now would be a good time to say, since we're talking about the YouTube algorithm, if you're enjoying the message that this video brings, help it get out to other people. Please comment something below. Comment, let me know if you're interested in more videos on specifically how to do content creation, how to edit videos, how to film things like that. Or give this video a thumbs up, like, share it with all your friends and family, help push it through the YouTube algorithm and get the message out so there's less people falling for these scams online. But now let's look at when a video blows up, exactly how much money it can make. If I go over here to my content tab, this is going to be all the videos that I've released. If I go over here to the views column, I can sort by views. And my top video is this 9 non-talking remote jobs where you can make up to $60 an hour answering emails. I published this on August 1st. Of 2023, and so far it's gotten 145,562 views. It's gotten 151 comments and 5,305 likes. So it really doesn't take a massive amount of comments and likes to get the video out. Now let's click on this analytics tab and check out this video. Of those 145,000 views, it got 8,400 hours of watch time. It gained me 5,000 subscribers, and this one video made me $2,715.76. Now let's compare that to Monique over with Journey at the Hintons. Some of her videos are getting double that. They're getting 390,000 views. So let's pull our dandy calculator for a minute. If she got 390,000 views, we're going to divide it by the 145,000 my video got. She got 2.6 basically times the views that I did. Now I made about $2,700 off my video, so take that and multiply it times the $2,700, she probably estimated made $7,262 just from ad revenue on this one video. And she put out, that was 1 month ago. Look at the 1 month. She put out multiple videos. So if she put out 2 videos and both of them made $7,000 in a month, she just made $14,000 in 1 month from ad revenue alone. Now let's go over here and pull up this get paid 45 minutes every 30 minutes with Google Translate video. I have not watched this video. I just wanted to point out that look in her description box right under the video. First up, we have sponsor. She immediately notifies you, which is great, but she has a sponsor for this video. And then right below that, here's her affiliate link for vidIQ. So she's got all 3 in this video. So you're making $7,000 just from ad revenue. Plus you're making more money from this video on top of the sponsor that is paying you to mention them in the video. And then if anybody clicks on your affiliate link and subscribes to this product or service, you get more money on top of that. So one video could literally make you $10,000 or more. Just one video. Now, some of the problems and the whole reason I've kind of picked on the making money crowd in this video is some problems is because you can make this much money on one video, you've got to evoke emotion in people to get them to click on the video. That's why I've titled this video the way I have. I am not a fan of the way the make money online YouTubers are trying to tell you to make money. These things simply don't work. But in the end, it doesn't matter to that YouTuber if it works or not. It just matters that you watched the video and you believed that you could do it enough to subscribe to the products or whatever. Their watch time went up, their views went up, and that's really all that they need to make their $10,000 a month. But they're not gonna make a video telling you that's how they made their money. They're going to tell you all the other ways you can make money so that they can keep doing their one way, the secret way of making money, which is basically being a content creator, telling people how to make money, selling them their hopes and dreams. But with that being said, let's move back into the affiliate marketing for a minute. Now, this video is 4 years old. I found it from a Lawrence Systems. I'm not sure. I just looked up how I make money with Amazon affiliate, since that's one of the big affiliate programs. And I found in this spot of this video, this guy, we're going to enlarge it so that you can see, but this guy is showing his Amazon affiliates dashboard. Now, he made in 1 year $19,426 just from the Amazon affiliate program. So this is his dashboard. I hope you can see it. It says his summary was $19,426. Now that's the money that he made. If you see down here in the very bottom, the shipped items, this is how much revenue Amazon made, and this is the share or cut that they gave to him was the $19,000. Now that is your affiliate money, like we talked about just with Monique, on top of the ads revenue. Now, when we're just talking about YouTube ads revenue, I just wanted to show you a few more examples. Catherine Manning is a channel that I used to watch religiously. I used to love her. She used to do all kinds of YouTube analytics. She would share how much money she was making on YouTube. She started out talking about how to blog. Then she moved her channel into talking about how to be a YouTuber. And she's now become a mother and transitioned her channel once again. But these are screenshots in this video of where she's showing she had 2 different videos. One video made $1,700 and one video made $1,500, and this is just ad revenue. So I'm going to play this part of that same video where she talks about the overall, those were the individual videos and how much each individual video makes, but she's about to talk about how much ad revenue she made for the year. And please remember, this is not with her affiliate income or anything. This is just ad revenue.
$99,713.54. But this is
so $99,000 is what she made in ad revenue on YouTube for 1 year. And that was probably one of her lowest years on YouTube from the other videos I've seen of her. 99,000 looks real close to 100,000, 6 figures with just ad revenue. So I do just want to leave you with this. Content creation is a grind and it's not easy. It is right now probably the number one side hustle and way to make extra money from home, being able to set your own schedule and work when you want to. No doubt about that. But it is absolutely not easy, and it's not for everyone. So for those of you who are interested in making money with content creation, please again, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to work in and make more videos about YouTube and about content creation. But for those of you who just like the simpler life and want to just work a full-time 9-to-5 or some part-time corporate jobs, put your hours in, get paid, go home and enjoy your family, I will still be here providing daily work from home job lead videos for you. I really do hope you enjoyed this video as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much if you've stayed to the end for supporting me. Have a great weekend, my friends.